Hello and good day everyone, and to our dear Professor Mr. McJoben Reyes. Our team, which is named Predictators, with our leader Ms. Francine Aguilar, Maribel Tabuzo, Raven Bunda, Mark Takayanan, and me, Sivine Exconde, will present to you the predictive modeling using multi-class classification. So let's start. In dataset, we have Adolf Dassler created Adidas, which a German corporation that manufactures athletic clothes and footwear with headquarters in Herzogenaurach, Bavaria. But this time, the focus is on the sales of Adidas United States, which competes with other firms that create similar products such as Nike, World Balance, Under Armour, and also other products. So Adidas provides a diverse selection of items to address the needs of athletes and sports fans across a variety of sports and fitness activities. So according to Adidas, customers can choose from a selection of a market-available fashion, and both fashion sports lovers will be available to acquire them. So Adidas has a global network of retail partners, and these include department stores, specialized shops, multi-brand athletic stores, and internet marketplace. So with our data understanding, these are the factors that will consist of our data. So first, we have retailer. This is the brand name of the retailer, and also we have here retailer ID. This is the definition or identification that represents each retailer. So we also have state, which is the country where the goods exported, and product, which is the type of goods purchased. Next, we also have price per unit. This is the cost of the item sold. Unit sold, the total count of the goods sold. And then next one, we have total sales, the total amount of goods sold. And then we have operating profit, the total that retailer gains in the operation, operating margin, the percentage of the profit, and sales method, which is the type of procedure of the purchase. So now, let's move on to data preparation. The following steps are done to prepare the dataset for multi-class classification. We have download the dataset from Kaggle and rename it based on the required file name, which is, for example, classification1.csv. Next is we upload in the Python directory and check the dimensions and data types of the data. Also, we encode all categorical data using label encoder and assign values for X as predictor variables and Y target variable. Last is to split the data in train, 70%, and also 30% for the test.
Next, modeling. First, get the best multi-class classifier model based on the matrix accuracy using accuracy score, F1 precision, and recall confusion matrix. Second, multi-class classification is a supervised learning algorithm that categorizes new observation into one of multiple classes. After checking on the accuracy measures using accuracy score, F1, precision recall and confusion matrix, and making predictions to identify which model between naive-based, decision tree, logistic regression, and support vector machine or SVM can be best used for the dataset. The screenshot of the modeling is on the next slide. The confusion matrix results for one of the classes. The row represent the actual values, one in this case, and the columns represent the predicted values, 0 or 1. The value at the intersection of the first row and the first column, 300, represent the number of times the classifier correctly predicted that an example belongs to the class, true negative. The value of the intersection of the first row and the second column, 18, represent the number of times the classifier incorrectly predicted that an example does not belong to the class, false positive.